Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix failure to initialize Steam. In this video seeing before, subscribe to support my YouTube channel. In these steps, one by one to follow to this problem should be fixed. Let's go at that first step, Task Manager. So for this, go to the your Windows search bar and type Task Manager. Click on the Task Manager and open it. Once it open, click on the names column. Then find Steam Client Web Helper and right click. Click for choose Entity Task. Click to close it. Steam. After that, close it. Come to back. Then go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart button. Click it to restart your system. Then go to the Steam. Once it restarted, then find Steam double tap to open it. Then you go to Windows game Steam search bar. Then type you want game. Example, I take it resistant evil. Then how to easily fix it for the code copy. Before you go to the Windows search bar and type run, then you can go to that run, then type this command provided in this video description, then copy, then here come to paste it. After that, insert the code that your game code copy to paste it. Here paste, then hit the OK. After that, automatically go to that application. Then your problem fix it. If you have any doubt, comment section go to comment. I will reply. If this method working or not working, comment section go to comment. And don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.